Boom shakalaka, critical levels for Bitcoin. Why not to give up yet? And why things are looking especially exciting for Ethereum and altcoins. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why not to lose heart yet and why altcoins may be about to go on an absolute rager. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 53 has been going sideways for pretty much the past month. The overall market sideways, just a tick up today. Bitcoin at 27,148, Ethereum at 1902, BNB at 305, XRP 52 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Solana 21.11, and Polygon 90 cents. And the top coins today based on AI would be Frax Ether, Rocket Pool, Gnosis, Quant, and Lido Staked Ether. And you can check out Token Metrics for free, link down in the description. Now, we have a big breakout coming for Bitcoin within about 2 weeks. By the middle of June, you can see the 50 and the 100-day moving averages will be crossing. Bitcoin has been bouncing back and forth between these two levels for the past month at this point, likely to break out one above or below. But it looks right now like Bitcoin is finding support above this downward trend, which could suggest price may be heading upwards. That looking bullish. This, my friends, is looking kind of bearish. This indicator, the CSFB fear barometer, is showing signs of a similar fractal that marked the top in 2022. When this rose rapidly, the fear barometer rose rapidly like we saw in 2021 leading up to 2022, well, look what happened to the markets after that. Markets tumbled. Same exact thing happening right now. May not be great news coming up for the markets. Now take that, pair that with Bitcoin right now trading at critical levels. We have price tagging the upper border of the descending channel, which is right here. We also have the lower border of the minor ascending channel, which is right here. And we also have this support level. So Bitcoin, a nice little triangle right now. That's why price has been moving sideways. When we get a breakout, it's going to be a big one. Right now, highlighted price targets, if it breaks to the upside, would be around 36 and then around $60,000 for Bitcoin. This could just be a period of sideways consolidation, similar to what we have seen in previous markets. If we take a look at time from the peak in 2013 and 2017, well, after we had capitulation and then a nice up move, there was some sideways consolidation. We are in that period of sideways consolidation right now. We might have another up move and then some more sideways consolidation before we really even start to see parabolic growth for Bitcoin. In the Gaussian channel crossover, Bitcoin's taking more time to cross over the weekly Gaussian channel than it did in past cycles. You can see back here, only 26 bars. Back here, 50 bars. Here, already 57 bars, and we have yet to completely cross. But make no mistake about it, the crossover might occur sooner than you think, and when that happens, it will be fireworks. Right now, very obvious bottoming pattern in Bitcoin's history. After the price coming down, after a huge drop, Bitcoin forms an ascending parallel channel and then eventually breaks above that for a massive parabolic move. Right now we are in that parabolic channel. When the breakout occurs, well, that's up to Bitcoin. If we take a look comparing this cycle with previous cycles, we have broken back above this trend line and retesting it just like we did back in 2019. After that retest, well, that was pretty much the bull rally beginning. We had a bearish pennant, deviation to the bottom, reclaiming the trend line here in yellow, a retest, which is happening right now, and then a pump after. So the only part left to happen would be the pump. Reasons not to lose faith. Why do you continue to be bullish on Bitcoin? Well, the Pi cycle top explains it clearly. The yellow line right here, this 111-day moving average, has started to uptick. You can see from right here, it went from going down to going up as Bitcoin, basically momentum changed from going down to going up. And as long as Bitcoin continues to retest that line with these purple arrows, guess what? Still bullish. Sometimes the bounce can take some time, but this is nothing but bullish. We can see in previous cycles, this yellow line, every purple tick right here, this was times when Bitcoin price tested the yellow line. And take a look at this 2015 to 2017 bull cycle. For years, it just kept bouncing off of that 111-day moving average as the price moved up. It wasn't until price broke below there that things were a failure point, or particularly after moments where there was no retesting of it in a parabolic movement, these blue arrows that suggested a red arrow and a failure coming at that point. So as of right now, nothing but bullish for Bitcoin. And for a lot of people not paying attention right now, we have very similar going on with Ethereum and Bitcoin right here to what happened with Bitcoin USD back here, where we had a squeezing of the Bollinger Bands, and we also had similar formation in the MACD histogram and RSI. Well, almost same exact pattern forming right now, plus also the 61.8 fib retracement coinciding with the bottom of those Bollinger Bands. Well, all of those boxes are checked. Looks like we may have a launch point for Ethereum Bitcoin comparative, meaning that Ethereum could gain a lot of value compared with Bitcoin. And if that's not good enough for you, check out this chart right here. Decision time for Bitcoin and altcoins soon. When the 20 SMA and the middle line of the Gaussian channel cross, that's this green and red line is the Gaussian line, the blue line is the 20 SMA, it's one of the strongest signals for the market. We can see right here and also right here, similar things happen. This was 18,000% gains. This was 100% gains and then 700% gains shortly after that. Very strong signal for the markets. The total market cap is about to cross. There's no more space between these bands. You can see right now, price has been stuck between those bands. Not for long, my friends. Big move soon, like we were discussing in the beginning. About 2 weeks to get your positions ready because there is a big launch happening very soon. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.